In this video, I'll show you how to add multiple devices to your existing Unifying USB adapter. So this one here came with this mouse here, but the one for the keyboard I actually lost it. So I'm going to now show you how to connect another device that you have, a Logitech device, into this Unifying adapter instead of buying a separate one. Now, this one here has the same logo, the Unifying logo, that orange logo, and it's currently got the battery in. But it's currently not communicating with the Unifying receiver because it doesn't know about it yet, and I've lost the original one. So now I'm going to show you how you can pair up multiple devices. So I'm going to now show you how to pair up the keyboard. As you can see, it's currently not working, and we're going to go onto Logitech website and download their software. And I haven't done this before, but I know that's how you're supposed to do it. So let's give it a go. Open up your browser and search for Logitech Unifying software and download for your system. Here we go. Should be this one here. So it normally detects your operating system and gives you the download option. There we go. So install the software, and once installed, launch the software, and it's automatically adding a new device position. So click on next. So on your existing device that you want to connect, if it's on, turn it off, turn it back on, and give it about a few seconds when it will try to connect to its original USB device. And if it can't find it, you will go into a searching mode, and that's when this software will pick it up. So give it a few seconds. You may want to press some keys just to get it going. Here we go, something's happening. There we go. So it detected the keyboard, K400, correct, and press some keys. In this case, yep, that's it. Confirm that this is yours, and that's about it. Voila. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.